Hey y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day. It is Thursday, which means tomorrow is Friday. I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited for Friday. So, as you can see from the description, we have a new subscription to unbox. I am pretty excited. This is another Stationery subscription. It is customized, and we're gonna dive in a minute. Just want to thank you guys again for being here and being part of our little YouTube family. Make sure, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button and join our little family here. We would love to have you. You're here anyway, so why not? So, as I said, this is a new subscription to this channel. This is, I'm going to cover up my address here, the Pretty Paper Club. So, yay. And the box here, you can see, it's a really cute box. And it sounds like there's some stuff in there, so we are going to open it and see. I'm excited. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so there was a personalized thank you note in here, and it says, Nikki, hope you enjoy your box of pretty paper. We hope to inspire people to write more notes. This box is just $20 a month. Happy writing, Natalie. So that is awesome. This box was very kindly sent to me for review and to share with you guys. So I will make sure to link it's through Crate Joy, their site down below, so you guys can head over if you like the products and want to order some personalized stationery for yourself. So this is what it looks like when you open it. And I'm really excited because instead of my name this time, it says Southern Mom. So, yay! Alright, so let's see what we got. So this is, oh, this is cute. Okay, so these are note cards, and they say Southern Mom with a pretty little pink balloon. I couldn't think of the word. And it does come with, it looks like envelopes and then pretty little stickers to seal the envelope. So that is so cute. Love that. And then like it's got multicolored little squigglies. I love that. That's so cute. And I like this pencil. It's just a regular pencil, but it says eat cake for breakfast. Like that. What do we have here? BFF confetti. Let's open this because I am not sure. The bag with little things in it. So this is cute. There's a couple of these. These are like little tags. That's cute. There's like 4 of them. Those are cute. And then we've got, what is this? Okay, these are cute. So they're little cards that you could just write a little note on. It came with the little envelopes, but then it came with really fun confetti. To put in the note as an extra like surprise for the person that opens it. So that is really cute. Let's see. Okay. Here's another little note. This says, hi, hey, hi, and hello. We hope you enjoy the August box, Kate Spade inspired designs, and birthday flair. BFF Julie would have celebrated her 42nd birthday this month. You can read more about BFF Julie under About on our website. Happy writing. And there is a code in here. It's Julie for 20% off for a gift for a friend. Alright, so that's cute. So the colors and the design are inspired by Kate Spade. And then this looks like one card. I'm actually going to open it. It is, and it has an envelope, and it is so cute. It says, "Eat cake till it hurts." And it's blank inside, so you know, it's a really cute birthday card. So that was everything in the box, and it was also super cute. So we got the birthday card, the little tags. We got, I think these are super cute, just like a little note, and like I said, with the little confetti so you can surprise, and the cute pencil, and then the personalized, the note cards with the envelopes that do say Southern Mom with the little stickers to seal the envelopes. So that is super awesome. I love all of that, and like I said, I will make sure to link below the site to sign up for the Pretty Paper Club. This is a monthly subscription and $20 a month, so it's just cute. It's just something cute, and like I've said before, I think the art of sending cards or notes to people has died and needs to come back, because I don't know about you guys, but I love getting stuff in the mail, and it's just that, like, oh my goodness, somebody thought of me, you know, how awesome. So we need to all get back into sending cards, sending letters, just to say hi, thinking of you, you know, we miss you, or whatever the case may be. So again, I will make sure to link their Create Joy website down below so you can sign up if you would like to, and I will put that code in there for the 20% off as well. I hope everyone has a wonderful day and that you enjoyed this video. Like I said before, if you have not already, go ahead and hit subscribe. You're already here, and don't forget, we have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so you definitely want to subscribe for that because it's got some really awesome stuff in it, so you want to be able to enter. That link will also be below. And I think that's pretty much it, you guys. So you'll have to forgive me tonight. My mind is kind of getting slower and slower and tireder and tired. I don't know if tireder is a word, but it's getting tireder. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great night, and until the next video, I will see you guys later. Bye.